she knocks, but I don't want my new battery and everything going dead, so we gotta run it at least for a minute. It's on this bank. Really that hot? Jesus Christ. It sounds like it's I should have killed it.
So I know that I haven't been posting as much lately. I've got laid off about a week ago, waiting for my severance check. Hopefully next weekend will be really nice and I can get the cherry picker put together. We'll pull the motor out of the Impala, put a new motor in if I don't find out if it's top end. To me it kind of sounds like the top end, could be wrong. Usually it's a bit faster on the top versus the bottom. Instead of 1-to-1 ratio, it's 2-to-1. But we'll break it down, we'll find out. Also, with the cherry picker put together, we can finally get to that Pacifica project I've been waiting on, so I can sell both of them and start getting some older cars and, you know what I mean, start teaching y'all how to do things yourself so you can save some money, because that's the goal. I mean, I know I love saving money. So anyway, just stay tuned and hopefully I will have some good stuff out soon once it starts warming up a little bit. So still full of snow over here, but anyway, hope everyone's doing good. Don't forget to like and subscribe.